Guys, welcome once again to Jumbo Tutorials, and I'm your admin over here, Jumbo. And today, guys, I'll be showing you guys how to actually earn online by liking YouTube videos and completing some little tasks on this site I'm about to show you guys. Before I proceed to doing that, I want to appeal to those who are not members of the channel to actually hit the subscribe button. This is how the subscribe button looks like. Hit the subscribe button to become a member and to get our videos as soon as we post them. Note, if you don't actually click on the subscribe button, you're not going to get our videos and you're going to miss out on a lot of things. Okay, to get started on earning online, I'm going to show you this site called followfast.com. I'm going to go to the site, actually, followfast.com. Okay, in followfast.com, you actually earn by a lot of things, like earn in a lot of ways. Completing tasks over here. Okay, I'm going to click on login because I already registered. But if you are not registered on followfast.com, you can simply click on join over here to get started with followfast.com. But I'm already a member of followfast, so I'm actually going to log in. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually get started with followfast and how to actually withdraw from followfast.com. So I'm trying to log in now. Okay, they ask for a capture number over here to make sure you are not a robot. Okay, I'm going to input the capture number 8399. Okay, yeah. Okay, it says my login was successful. Okay, over here at Follow Fast, you earn through a lot of ways. Through liking at Facebook pages, um, watching YouTube videos, liking on YouTube videos, disliking on YouTube videos, subscribing to YouTube videos, liking on Instagram posts, tweeting on Twitter, and lots of things actually. So you just created your account. So the next step is actually start getting started. For example, I want to actually like on a YouTube video to start earning. Okay, this is the corner where your points are. Like this is the corner where you can actually see your points, the points you already made on followfast.com. Okay, you can actually click on any of these menus over here to actually get started on earning. Like if I'm to like this video, I'm to click on this point over here to like this video and actually earn 2 points for liking this video. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to actually cash out, but before that, there are daily bonuses every day on followfast that can give you as much as 100 points and or more. So you have to actually always go to the daily bonus and catch up with the daily bonus. Okay, to cash out on followfast.com, just simply click on cash out over here and choose your payment method, and you see your payment method in, you can use your PayPal account or your Bitcoin or your PM, anywhere you want to actually withdraw your money from, then it will be sent to you. Followfast.com is actually verified, it pays. I know, I'm very sure of that, and I'm going to actually I'm going to assure you guys that if you work on followfast.com, your work will not be in vain. Also, for those who also have YouTube channels, you can actually exchange your points actually to subscribers or to views or to likes. Like if you want to get more likes or subscribers or views to your channel, you can actually exchange those points you got on followfast.com to those likes or views or subscribers. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys actually learned from this video. Don't forget that you can always send me a comment of things you want me to actually show you on how to do via the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, because if you don't subscribe, you won't get access to our videos, which we post a lot of them every week. Okay, so stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching once again. Bye. Have a very nice day ahead.